So this one now goes on your leg.
Just go there to pull it.
Let's do the second one, all the way up.
It may look like a golf bag, but this machine is helping to make life a lot easier for some people with lymphedema. It's called an intermittent compression system, or IPC for short.
What you're going to feel is like a pneumatic massage. So it starts by the toes, and basically you've got chambers in here, and they fill up with air, and they start just basically massaging the leg till it gets up to the thigh, and then starts up again. Okay? So we're just going to turn it on for you now.
It's like pressures, leaves it go, and then pressures again, and it leaves it go.
Like waves, basically it is. So they start down the bottom, gradually build up the limb until they get to the top. So they're clearing and moving the fluid up.
It's a bit of pressure. It's not hard pressure, it's like being massaged.
Normally with a lymphocyst, it's roughly about a 15-minute sequence. So as a sequence will last 15 minutes, but then we normally do two lots of that sequence. That's what we find is more effective for 30 minutes.
But it can't be used on everyone.
We don't give patients to do it if they've got heart problems, if they're pregnant, things like that. That's contraindicated to having it. So if people have got cardiac problems, where's that fluid going to go? It's going to go to their heart. So that you don't overload the heart, because that's what you're doing, is pushing that fluid a bit more. So you've got to be careful what you do all the time.
A big help for some patients is that the machine can be used at home.
Oh, hello there.
Sian has lymphedema and venous hypertension in one of her arms.
That's one advantage. I've got 2 different size wrists, so one small bracelet, one large bracelet. Yeah, they're not working properly, the veins or the lymph channels, because of the lymphedema. So this is why you get a backlog of fluid and swelling then to the arm and the hand and the fingers.
When she was attending clinic for therapy, Sian found that a session on a machine helped to soften the tissues and reduce the swelling. They're available in all the NHS lymphedema services in Wales, but if you find them really helpful, you can buy one to use at home.
Okay, I've set it for 35 minutes. Make sure that's not kinked. It starts from my fingers to my hand, and then it'll work up. It's a gradual process. Now that I have the machine at home, I've built up and I've using the machine 3 times a week.
They could do it every day as long as they didn't have any infections and things like that. That's what you've got to look out for, is infections, if you've got any broken skin, any problems.
There we are. Switch your telly on, please.
To manage your lymphedema, you've got your skin care, exercises, moving the muscle, wearing the stockings or the sleeve. And then you've got the SLD, which is the massage. And this is sort of a part of that, is the massage and moving that fluid up. If you see the volumes going up and up, just wearing the sleeve or just wearing the stocking won't be enough. It needs that extra to bring it down.
Machines are no substitute for the 4 cornerstones of care: SLD, skin care, exercise, and wearing your garment. Your therapist will be keeping an eye on you.
Oh, there he is, putting makeup on her, too. Come on in, Sian.
You caught me in the act then.
So how have things been? Have you found it all right?
Excellent, yes, very good.
And
so
no sign
far,
of infection?
no
or
sign
anything?
of infection.
Oh, lovely.
Everything is brilliant.
Good. Because this sort of activates the fluid a bit, sometimes that also activates an infection. So Sian before now has come here and then found an infection has occurred afterwards. She's had loads of infections, so she knows what to look out for and when it's coming on her, and then she just goes on the antibiotics and we leave it for a few weeks. We don't mind machines as long as they do what they say they're going to do. It takes a lot of time off the therapist then, So machines have their own place in the lymphedema service, you know.
Rosina has been coming to the clinic weekly for treatment and is now going to try using a machine at home.
Rosina, have a look at that. All the settings are up for you. All you need to do is press the button where it says start. So start your treatment now. During the treatment, it's beneficial to take few abdominal breaths as well, so clear the middle lymphatic, so it's nice and clear for you. Make sure your skin is clear, it's not cut, you haven't got any signs of infection, as you know, redness or pain or heat. When you're feeling unwell, I would not advise to use it, but when you're feeling better, of course, if you have infection, as you know,
Yes.
you're going straight to GP.
Yes.
Yes.
My husband isn't very well, and sometimes, you know, I leave him in bed while I come, you know, so that'll be really good. Handy for me anyway. Much handier. Miss you though.
Yes.
It's important that you discuss buying a machine with your lymphedema therapist and try them in the clinic first to see if they do help you.
I don't need to take it off, it's nice.